There's a West Nile outbreak in Clark County. Today, the Southern Nevada Health District told us 28 people have tested positive for the disease. Fox 5's Kylie Gaylor joins us live to break it all down for us.
28 cases of West Nile, Christine. This is the highest number of cases since Nevada first started tracking the disease in 2004. The health department told me West Nile, it can come in waves, but they're calling this a serious public health concern.
I couldn't walk for weeks.
When I introduced you to Diana Mitchell last month, she could barely walk or talk.
My speech started like this.
She was the second person in Clark County to get diagnosed with West Nile.
He couldn't recognize pictures. He couldn't read words. He couldn't speak at all.
Joe was the 12th. Now they're 2 of 28 people living with the disease.
It's just a waiting game, they said.
And it gets to a point where this is no joke.
The genetic makeup of your white blood cells determines how you'll react. The health district told us the majority of people diagnosed this summer have the neuroinvasive form, like Diana and Joe. There's no cure yet, but one doctor told us they're working on ways to make it less severe.
If we can get someone who's been exposed to the virus, get their macrophages to have a nice strong response, we can prevent those more severe types of the disease, the neuroinvasive and the encephalitis.
Last year, less than 1% of mosquitoes in southern Nevada tested positive for viruses like West Nile. This year, 19%. So what's being done?
We'll go out to your house, we'll set traps.
The health district tracks mosquitoes through GPS. Once they're back at the lab, specialists look for viruses in their DNA. Health specialists even put tiny fish in wash basins to help control the mosquito population. Plus, there's natural selection, like bats, who can eat their body weight in bugs in one night, including mosquitoes.
But they're in town, they're roosting in trees, they're roosting in buildings.
We're not the only dry desert climate dealing with a spike in West Nile. In Maricopa County in Arizona, there have been 124 reported cases this year, significantly higher than last year. 7 people have even died. It just goes to show you can get infected pretty much anywhere. So wear insect repellent with DEET to protect yourself. Christine, back to you.
For a list of all the affected zip codes in Clark County, head over to our website, fox5vegas.com.